Nation Media muamue kama nyinyi ni gazeti ama broadcasting house ama
Miario ya Minister wa Wojoli Fururini Moses Kuria akiguoyohia nyumba ya mohoro ya Nation Media Group niyo yaisha ikuhikuma kuri thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Miario teno ikionekana kuagithia kiene kihoto na wiathi wa nyumba cia mohoro. Ni miario komithitio ni ikundi iria irugamagirira nyumba cia mohoro. Atongoria ikundi ni shimakiuga miario eno ndikomarigiriria kumenyithia muingi uma wa maundu.
We are dismayed that since the Kenya Kwanza administration came to office 10 months ago, it has directed sustained attacks on the media. The most recent attacks have been triggered by a series of stories of corruption in government. Will continue without fear to report on public issues and project the different voices in society, as well as speak truth to the power.
We urge the government to stop targeting and intimidating the media, which is only discharging its responsibility to the public.
Atongoria a ikundi cimaugite eno ni njama ya thirikari ya kuhithirira ungumania uria uratwarithio na mbere thirikari-ini, makiuria aria mangikorwo na mateta megie nyumba cia mohoro magerere honge iria ciagirire.
Najua inadhalilisha sana wakati kiongozi anadhania kwamba kwa kuwatusi wanahabari inaleta faida kwa serikali au kwa taifa la Kenya. Haileti faida yoyote.
We read the consistent attacks on the media as attempts to divert public attention from widespread theft of public funds and other governance challenges facing the new administration.
Kumariria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yoire utongoria nigumirwo ni mashira ma GUKUMIO honge-ini itiganite ya ica ikuhi ari ruhonge rwa NHIF thuguri ya neti cia kwigita rwagi ruhonge-ini rwa KEMSA GUKUMIO ya shukari wina thumu na nginyanagia na riu muingi nduri uramukira anja kuma kuri thirikari igimainie na ciiko ici.
We view this as an attempt to blackmail and twist the media into seizing scrutiny of the government and those wielding power and authority.
Ambayo ilikuwa imeagizwa hapa na watu wakaketi katika chumba kimoja na wakapanga vile watagawana shilingi bilioni 6. Hiyo pia lazima tujue serikali imefika wapi. Hata wakianza matusi na kututupia cheche za matusi, bado tunangojea majibu.
Oho ikundi cinicambikite mutaratara wa kuhanda cira igoti-ini ikienda igoti rianirira atongoria mwe thirikari-ini ciagiriru gukorwo mari wabici-ini cia utungata wa muingi.
I will be going to court under chapter 6 of the constitution so that the court can declare some leaders in Kenya Kwanza administration unfit to hold public office based on the utterances that have been attributed to them.
Ihinda-ini o riu gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia muingi haki Africa gikomithitie miario ya Moses Kuria gikiuga CIIKO na miario ya kwagarara kihoto kia nyumba cia mohoro ni hituke ni mahinda.
We want to condemn the unwarranted attacks on press freedoms and we stand in solidarity with the media fraternity.
We will continue to advocate for the rights of journalists and the media organizations to operate without fear of retribution or undue influence.